Okay, hello everyone. So I hope you can hear me and see my screen. I will be sharing my screen in a bit. Okay, please. So, can someone confirm that you can see my screen? I'm now opened at centurioninvest.com website. Okay, let's go. So, hello everyone. My name is Rami Kamar. I'm the market analyst at Centurion Invest. So, this webinar is hosted by Centurion Invest, the all-in-one platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, turn fiat into crypto, crypto into fiat, and many more. So I've logged into my website to my profile, and here is the landing page for the profile. Here you can see the account overview. So you can see whatever you have from. So here you can see whatever you have from crypto to fiat, USDT, euro, and of course CIX, which is the native token for the platform. So CIX is a very big project. I advise you to have a look at it, and of course, if it's for interest for you, you can contact the support team or even contact me directly, and we will support you through the process to buy CIX. It's on the uh, plan to have a 3x to 4x in price within this year. So it's a huge project, guys. Now let's talk about the Visa card, which is the Centurion crypto Visa card. Here it is. You can order one of these four packages. For example, if you don't have CIX, you can buy the premium. If you have approximately $5,000 worth of CIX, you can buy the infinite. And of course, every time you go up with the CIX number, you can buy the larger package. And of course, the larger the package, the lower the fees, and the larger the spending power. This is, of course, a virtual card until the physical card is released. It is expected to be released in a month or two. So, this solves a lot of problems, especially for the countries that do not have a Visa card, such as Lebanon. So, banks in Lebanon do not issue Visa cards anymore. Especially if you want to buy anything online. So, here with this card, you can buy everything you might think of. So let's look at the gift card that you can buy using this Visa card. And of course, you can buy whatever you want from over 2 million merchants and everywhere in the world with uh, point on sale, sorry, stores. So, example, if you went to Apple in Dubai Mall and you decided to buy the iPhone, so you can buy directly through the card in your USDT account, and of course, the commissions will be uh, credited into your CIX account, so you can like pay for your fees with CIX. Now, examples of the gift cards. So you have the Amazon gift card, the Apple card gift cards, BN, whatever you might think of, guys. PUBG, Minecraft, Viber, Xbox. So that's it for the website. Um, what I will be talking about now is some technical and fundamental analysis. So I will first start with the fundamental analysis and what is happening in the market. So yesterday we had the Fed meeting. For the Fed meeting, let me open on, like, let's say the Ethereum chart. So for the Fed meeting, yesterday we did have some moves, but it was not. So basically, the Fed meeting was until this point. Okay, so this was the day yesterday. It was pretty ranging the whole day. So this was 5:30 in the morning. As you can see, we rearranged. We tried to break this 1,180 level, which was mentioned in the which was mentioned in the report that I send on a daily basis. Now for the Fed meeting that started at 9 p.m. So as you can see here, the timing is 21, so which means 9 p.m. We also tried to break this level And I mentioned, so breaking this level is a buy entry basically above the 1180 level. It faked us out, but however, it did not go under our stop loss or under, or like, we did not change the bias. So whoever stayed in the trade went into like a $15 drawdown, which is basically nothing, because what happened is that we went up around $30 to $40. So we are still in profit for everyone who went into this trade. So we had this pump, but most of the people like missed this trade because it happened at 3:30 in the morning uh, during Asian time, and usually Asian time people are asleep, except for the Asians, which means like the Chinese, the Japanese, some Australians, New Zealand, and the other countries at this part of the world. So basically, Europe, US, and everyone else missed this trade. Uh, this was the Asian pump. For now, we are still ranging in this. For now, we're still ranging for the past like 2 hours. What will I will be look at? What I will be looking at for Ethereum is that we are still in this deadly range of $300 range, and within this $300 range, you have a lot of like zones to consider. And the last zone was the 1180 level, which we broke. So the next target will be for me on Ethereum will be the 1280 level. But for this to happen, you have to look at this level right here. So this level right here is acting as a resistance level. As you can see here, a lot of rejections, and to confirm this rejection, we had this candle yesterday that rejected as well. So what I will be looking at is a break above the 1220 level. So a flip for this 4 hour candle to go up to here, retest the 1220 level, and come up to 1280. So this is the scenario for Ethereum. Um, I will not be looking for sells today unless we break under this level right here. So let me adjust this level at 1180. So a break under this level, which will mean that this is a basically a continuation, because we are still in a bearish trend line overall, especially on the weekly time frame. So we are purely bearish. We have this very big bearish candle to the downside, uh, and this green candle is basically a small one, so it's not something to be considered as a reversal, as a huge reversal. It's actually a relief, a small or a short-term relief. uh, and yeah, so that's it for Ethereum, guys. uh, there's one pair that's moving a lot today, which is the USD yen. It's moving a lot, honestly. It's down 1%, even though we do not trade Forex at Centurion Invest. It's something to be considered. So what's happening is that people are moving their money from the USD and putting them into the yen. Let me see the pound yen house also this. What can be confirmed is that the pound yen, sorry, the yen is the strongest currency today. So people are moving from the USD, putting them into the yen. Uh, I believe that the euro is up today also. Yeah, it's up also. Um, Remember when we once talked about the parity? So the parity was right here, 1.000. So this was the parity here, and we are up around 400 pips from the parity. For those trading the euro, I will give them like a short hint or a small hint that we have a big resistance right here at this level, which was the top. So in case we break this level from here, We are going up more, and this is confirmed when you look at the DXY. The XY is down 0.3% today. We are now at the low. We are testing back the low that was created, which is this wick. We can see it at the lower time frames. So this was the low right here. We are now retesting the lows. In case we break below this candle, we are heading more downside for the dollar, more upside for the crypto, more upside for the gold, more upside for the euro. So this is what I have for like some fundamental analysis mixed with technicals. I will look at Bitcoin now. So Bitcoin went up from our support level, which was mentioned clearly at this group, at the Telegram group. So I sent previously, before even having this candle right here, that we are heading towards the 15,500 level again, while I sent these arrows right here that we have a huge support area here, 15,500, 15,600, and that's exactly what happened. So we went to this level and went back up again. Now, what what will happen right here is that Bitcoin has a big resistance level at the 17,000 area. So this is the 17,000 area. What I will be looking for is a break above this level and taking the buyer around the 17,000 area, targeting the next resistance level, which is the 18,000 area. So 1 minute. Okay. So targeting the next resistance area, 18,000. This is what I have for today's market, guys. In case you have any questions, please let me know. What can we do in terms of analysis? One thing I want to tell you is that for the market, we are in a turbulent market. It's very volatile. We don't have much volume, but it is volatile. So there's a difference between volatility and volume. We are in a volatile market, but for the crypto, it's not as liquid as it was before. We are not having this pretty large moves because we have been ranging, for example, since November. Let me see here. So for the past five, let's say 3 days or 4 days even, if you don't want to consider this. So we have been ranging, and before this drop, we also ranged. We can see this deadly range in October. Previously, we did not have this range. For example, let's look at this. Let's look at this, for example, right here. This part, that's during August until September, so that's around 30 to 35 days. It was a clear downtrend, even though we ranged a little bit. We did have a clear trend. Now we are at the bottom. We have this very big zone. It's really not clear, and especially that regarding like fundamentals and monetary policies and everything like that, we still don't have a clear path where to go. So you have to really take care of everything. Do not hire your leverage because the market is not clear. We are not bullish. We are not bearish on the short term. We are on the long term, of course, bearish, but on the short term, we still don't know the path, the exact path. So yeah, let me see if you have any comments. For now, no comments. So what I wanted to say about the market, since it's a very turbulent market, lower your leverage, and if you are buying spot, always DCA, guys, dollar cost average, DCA, which means that you don't buy the bulk in one place. What happens is that you buy, for example, right here, right here, right here, and right here. So your average price will be around this level. what happens now, if in case it goes up, you will have a lower price than if you bought everything right here, and you will actually make profits faster because you have a lower price. So always be patient, always DCA, and you will be good in the markets. Of course, do not spend what you cannot afford to lose. And if you have any questions, please let us know through our Telegram group, through our direct messages. We are always here to help, and I'm personally here also to help you in your crypto journey and in general your finance, trading, and investing journey. So, good luck, guys, and have a nice weekend from tomorrow until Sunday. Thank you, guys. Bye.